Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a crochet designer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work tapestry crochet. So let's get started. Please subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. This section of the blanket is worked in tapestry crochet. This uses a chart and 3 colours to create a pattern. As you can see from the chart, we will be working a series of circle patterns in 3 different colours. As you can see from the pattern, each square represents 1 double crochet. Follow the chart to change colours in each row. We will now start following the chart on the 3rd row, starting with our work right side facing. To begin, start carrying your work through. Chain 1. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Now gather your second colour yarn. Now work 1 double crochet stitch over the second colour to ensure you have secured it at the back of your work. To begin, work 6 double crochet stitches, ensuring you are working over your second colour to carry that through. Before you finish your 6th double crochet stitch, yarn over using your second colour and work the next 3 double crochet stitches. Ensure you are working over your first colour yarn at the back to carry it through. Ensure you are carrying your second colour through the back of your work. When you get to the final stitch of the row, drop the colour you are working through to hide it at the back of your work and work 1 double crochet into the last stitch. This will ensure your colour is hidden and makes the edges of your work much neater. Chain 1, turn your work. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Then start carrying your second colour through again. Following the pattern, work 5 double crochet stitches in your first colour before changing to your second colour to work the next 5 double crochet stitches. Use this same method, following the pattern, to create the tapestry crochet shapes, counting each square as 1 double crochet stitch. As you go along, ensure you are gently pulling your second colour, the one that you are carrying through, so it doesn't become too loose and hang out of the stitches, but don't pull it too tight as this will make your tension too tight. Work 3 rows of double crochet in between each circle pattern colour change, ensuring you always begin the next section of your pattern with the right side of your work facing. Top tip: ensure each row has the correct number of coloured stitches before moving on to the next row. The pattern will not work unless the stitch count is correct, and it will save you a lot of time if you make a mistake along the way. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for the next video.